Welcome to Raycap, an international company founded in 1987 with operations in Europe and North America. Raycap is a global leader in infrastructure for wireless and wireline networks, supplying the largest telecom operators and OEMs with equipment and components that protect, connect, and conceal mission-critical equipment across several industries. This privately held company has 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in the USA, with a total of 7 plants located throughout the world. They're big enough to handle significant major projects and high-volume manufacturing, yet small and agile enough to make unique custom products cost-effectively and with dependable on-time delivery anywhere. Raycap manufactures many of the components used in its final solutions in-house for more control of the supply chain process.
We know it's really important for our customers to have North American manufacturing presence. Having all of these facilities, Idaho, Charleston, in New Jersey, having all of that in the US gives Raycap a strategic advantage. We don't outsource our production, we keep it right here in the US.
The company has strong IP capabilities, R&D. Product development and IP creation are a major focus, with extensive patents and patents pending. Raycap's proprietary surge protection technology, StrikeSorb, provides a clear competitive advantage in protecting sensitive, high-value equipment in any industry. It is UL and IEC approved, conforming with all US and European regulations. StrikeSorb can withstand multiple lightning strikes with no need for replacement. InvisiWave is a patent-pending proprietary concealment technology for wireless networks. Raycap engineers and manufactures a wide array of products using InvisiWave to effectively conceal 5G radio technology without impacting signal quality or network performance. North American operations are in the USA on the East Coast in Charleston, South Carolina, and Kearney, New Jersey, and on the West Coast in Post Falls, Idaho.
Having facilities, the East Coast and the West Coast, is giving us proximity to the customers. We can optimize the transportation cost and being able to be at their premises very, very fast.
The South Carolina operation produces RF transparent antenna concealment solutions, the Stealth product line. It consists of 2 large facilities comprising nearly 200,000 square feet with a full-featured composite plant where cutting-edge concealment materials are shaped and camouflaged to support telecom concealments. It also includes a steel manufacturing plant focusing on fabricating, assembly, and finishing the structural components that make up concealment poles, mounts, and other wireless infrastructure products to support the growing need for 5G deployment in the U.S.
In addition to the manufacturing effort that we do here, we have a very large contingent of engineering, project management, as well as support staff for the manufacturing effort as well. The capabilities that we have from an engineering perspective, I think, are second to none.
The 75,000 square foot New Jersey operation is Raycap's hub for the design, manufacturing, and integration of wireless enclosures and electrical switchgear, including shrouds, radio and antenna mounts, and other customized enclosures that enhance Raycap's product offering in the growing small cell market. Raycap's Idaho operation is an 83,000 square foot facility that supports the design, development, and manufacture of electrical protection and connectivity solutions for the North American telecommunications market.
We've got over 13 product lines that we're currently building. We have a lot of flexibility to change things up. We test 100% of our products.
A strong commitment to quality processes and rigorous testing helps Raycap products stand out in the marketplace. Every Raycap location has a talented research and development staff who work closely with sales and customers to understand and develop solutions to fit customer requirements.
Well, the innovation is the best thing. And that's the key for Raycap, is that we don't offer a cookie cutter solution that we try to get everybody to use. We actually adapt and design specific solutions for each customer.
Raycap doesn't make products, we have customers. So we listen to our customers and we make the products that our customers need us to make. The mindset at Raycap is one of entrepreneurship. It gives us this unique ability to be large enough to serve global companies, but small enough to be very agile, very personal, very attentive.
Raycap is the world leader you can depend on, supplying operators and OEMs with equipment for critical infrastructure, including customized enclosures and concealments for the telecom industry, and industrial surge protection solutions built to protect, connect, and last.